Now, the arrest of the control of budget is, of course, in bad faith. It is malicious. The Kenya Kwanza government, as usual, wants to distract us with such trivial fascinations. And they are doing this purely because, the control of budgets recently demonstrated how officers in government steal from Kenyans through budgeted corruption. And it runs across government, and they have done this again and again. It has become a norm, and those in power are benefiting with the budgeted corruption, whereby salaries are doubled, allowances are doubled. Those who travel the world, you know them, their per diems are doubled, and even budgeting for projects is something they have been doing, and doubling everything that is budgeted for. That is how they steal. And because of that, they have decided to arrest her to try and silence her from disclosing further the things that are happening within this government. And that is why we are saying this malicious arrest of the control of budgets has to stop. And everybody else who has been criticizing this government, we know that is the scheme, and even some of us will be arrested soon because of some trivial issues or things that we probably may have done in the past, and that is what they are trying to fish. That is what they are trying to look for. So what we are saying, Kenya Kwanza, you need to be a little creative in how you deal with the people that are exposing you. You need to be a little creative. Instead of harassing people that are exposing the rot in government, you need to start dealing with corruption in government. You need to start dealing with tribalism in government. You need to start dealing with the arrogance in government. You realize the things that are happening in this government, the corruption, the unfair distribution of job opportunities, the unfair distribution of national resources is happening. And when we raise an issue, when anybody raises an issue, they are using government, or what can I call it, justice system to try and silence some of us, including this control of budgets. And that is why we are saying, you, President William Ruto, must call this to an end. You, President William Ruto, must become respectful of institutions. This is an independent office. The director of the control of budget is an independent office, and we are not going to allow you to harass the control of budgets because of what she demonstrated and how people in your government are benefiting from corruption that is budgeted for. Thank you.